Hi all. Today we will analyze the strategy based on the MFI indicator. Set the period to 14. Set levels 605.040. Today we will consider the pound dollar, and the first thing we have to do is put it during trading. It's 9 o'clock. Well, until 1918. What does the strategy represent? I trade for 30 minutes and 15 minutes. Here I see that the price entered the overbought zone twice. Then it came back and entered the overbought zone again. Here, almost from now on, I had to think about the entrance. From this candle, I had to think about selling. Let's move on to M1. I would trade here, here, here. Now let's move on to 30 minutes. We are in the overbought zone. Today if we were trading here, we would enter here. So, according to the ladder, now we know how long it is. We're about here somewhere entered. Of course, deals don't always go our way. There would be 3 minuses today. Accordingly, we would have held the deal here. They would still trade. This is where a solution to stopping trade could be brought. Another option, if something is not clear in trading, how it generally works, then you can switch to a lower one time frame. But we see that we could theoretically go down to the bottom. Well, you see, according to yesterday we would still be climbing without any such shocks. On the M30, it would be possible to switch to M15, which means that it would be shown here. Well, it turns out that there would also be sales. We would try to enter here. The price should have come in, so that again we went up, or would have returned to the zone, entered and returned again. That is, it turns out that we would not come here. This is where we would come in for sale again. Well, just like sales here, we already have M30, that is, we would go. Well, little by little the price is going down. Where approximately can she go? Yes, approximately here. Yes, for this zone. But now you will have to do it. Look at what goal to reach or set without a loss. Well, if I would have bet here, it would have been without a loss. Well, it would be possible to bet without a loss. I passed 1 to 3. But here you can even close it with 3% to cover these 3 minuses. If you are interested in trading or strategy, then write, I will explain, tell you how to trade, how I handled the situation. Thanks everyone, goodbye.